As we have learned in the previous lesson number 3, part 1, about that the most important part of English grammar is the verb. A sentence is incomplete without a verb. So today we are going to learn about another type of a verb. If you are interested, please continue to listen to it. My name is Moyon Carry and this is the Learn English with Moyon. Verb. Verb is a word that tells about an existence of something, an occurrence, and an action. In the easy way, you can say that a verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. Verb has different types that makes our life easier to understand a sentence. So today we are going to learn about action verb. Action verb. What is action verb? Action verb is a word that tells us about an action that if something is happening. For example, they run. What they do? They run. So here the word run is the action verb that shows an action in the sentence. Another example, we eat food. What we do? We eat food. So here the word eat is the action verb that is showing the action. Marina is dancing. What Marina is doing? Marina is dancing. The word dancing is showing an action. So here the word dance, dancing is the action verb. Action verbs are divided into two groups, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verb always need an object to receive the action, whereas intransitive verbs is in action by itself. Have a look on example number 1. The boys walked 30 miles. Here, first of all, find out the action verb. So here the action verb is walked because what boys did, they walked. So the word walked is the action verb. Now, find out that the word walked is the either transitive verb or intransitive verb. Well, the boys walked 30 miles. There is no object in the sentence. So, it is in action itself. It does not need an object to receive to be an action. So, this is intransitive verb. Another example, the boy kicked the ball. Here first try to find out the action verb. So here the word kick is the action verb. So now try to find out it's either intransitive verb or transitive verb. So the sentence has an object. The ball is the object. So this is the transitive verb because transitive verbs always need an object to receive to be an action. So this, the word kick, is the transitive verb. More examples. Transitive verbs. The girl kicks the football. Here, football is an object. And keep in mind, transitive verbs always need an object. So this sentence, the word kick, is the transitive verb. The driver stopped the ship. Ship is the object. So stopped is the transitive verb. She speaks the truth. The truth. So here, speaks is the transitive verb. Intransitive verb. The girl laughs loudly. There is no object in the sentence. So laughs here is the intransitive verb. The child sleeps. The train stops suddenly. In both sentences, there are no objects. So keep in mind, intransitive verbs don't need to receive an object. What we learned today, transitive verb takes an object. Intransitive verbs don't take an object. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment section below without any hesitation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. If you like this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.